Alright, so you're scrolling for deals and you stumble across ACC Biotech shop, maybe eyeing those hot sneakers or supplements that seem too good to be true. But before you click buy now, let's do a real trust check on accbiotech.shop. First red flag? The contact info. People have tried calling and the numbers are totally disconnected. No customer support, no help if your order vanishes. Second, what's with the product list? A biotech shop selling sneakers like the Sabrina 2s? That's classic scammer behavior, listing whatever's trending to lure in shoppers. Real biotech companies don't do this. And the user complaints? They're not just one-off rants. Multiple people report paying, never getting tracking info, and being totally ghosted by the company. The word fraudulent is showing up everywhere on social media. Dig a little deeper, and you'll see related sites like accshop.co are already flagged online for high-risk scams and terrible service. But here's the sneaky part. Don't mix up ACC Biotech Shop with real businesses like ACC Biotech Limited or Biotech USA. Those are legit established companies. This site is just trying to ride on their name. So, what should you do? If you haven't bought anything yet, just don't. Don't share any payment details. If you already ordered, contact your bank immediately and ask for a chargeback. And please, report the site on places like ScamWatch to warn others. Bottom line, ACC Biotech Shop is ticking all the scam boxes in 2026. Stay sharp, trust your gut, and remember, if it feels shady, it probably is. Stay safe out there and happy shopping on real trusted sites.